Hi, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Thank you for joining me for this video. Today we are going to do, as you can see from the title, unboxing of another Louis Vuitton bag, and it's a bag that I already own. I own one of these and I got another one. I know, I am a little crazy, but if I like something, I will buy it in multiples. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Natalia and I'm self-admitted shameless shopaholic, and I post on YouTube videos on how I spend my money or how I waste my money. So if you enjoy shopping, especially luxury designer handbags, but also non-designer fashion and all the fun stuff women enjoy, please consider joining my Anonymous Shopaholic Club down below so we stay in this addiction together. So here we have another bag, and I was thinking I'm slowing down bags, but apparently it's not happening. However, this bag, when I saw that this bag is coming on Foxy LV Instagram, I knew I want to get one of these, but I wasn't sure if I will be able. I was expecting they will sell much quicker than they actually did. So it was something that I knew that I want multiple colors of this bag, so that might actually give away a little bit which bag I picked. I picked it already a couple of months ago during summer, but as I said before, I was away, so I didn't have really that much possibilities to record and yeah, share the bag. So any guesses? I'm curious. I think you know me pretty well, so I think you might actually guess which bag is this. So let's make it a quick video of sharing this bag. So let me get rid of the package. So here it is, and I got another Alma. Yes, I got another Alma in epi leather in this absolutely gorgeous blue, bright blue color. I don't know if it's turquoise, can't remember what it's called. This color is just so bright, vivid blue. And when I saw the bag is coming, I think it was, I don't know, June maybe, I was like, I need to get hold of one of these and I need to have it. So you can get the trend that I'm collecting multiple colors of Alma bags. I think it's a classic bag, it's a forever bag, and I like them, and I like them in epi leather. They really don't scratch, they are very resistant, and I think it's a good investment into the future wardrobe, or like into the collection, let's say, because I like colorful stuff, I like colorful outfits, and I like colorful bags. So hello, I am a color person for sure. So I would like to collect bags in colors which will last forever. Like, I mean, forever in a sense that in 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, when I want to pick an outfit and I think about blue bag, yellow bag, green bag that I want to pair with it, I want to have bags just, on my shelf to grab. So that is kind of like, my goal with luxury bags. I want to collect them. And thankfully, I am a person that rather likes this kind of, classy bags. Square, like this is not square, but it's a classic style. I am not a very big fan of weird, like I call them weird, like, right? Like that's my opinion. In my brain, they are weird. Funky designs, and also which have too many, like, this kind of Bottega City bag, a lot of, things hanging around, very casual, I would say, even like countryside looking bags. That's not really my style, and unfortunately also now the trend, or maybe fortunately for my wallet, the hobo style is not really my vibe. So I think I'm saving some money here, so I have to focus on the, on the classic side. So a lot of the bags that are coming out now, they are not really my vibe and not my style, which is in a way good. But anyway, back to the topic. So I want to collect bags and I want to have them in multiple colors for the future. Whenever I feel like, oh, I just want to, with this outfit, I want to have a pale pink bag, or with this outfit, I'm looking for a mint bag. So that is my goal, and I admire people who have like these beautiful Chanel collections of classic flaps in all the colors. Well, that's beautiful, I admire that, but that's not what I can do. So instead I focus on what I can do, and for sure Louis Vuitton Almas are the bags that are, I think, really good replacement, or like really good way of going instead of classic flaps, for example, because classic flaps and, you know, Chanel is so crazy price and hard to get and all of this, and also the quality. So I think the Alma is a very good way to go instead of like classic flaps, for example. Classic style, it comes in beautiful colors. I don't know how often they release the new color. I think it's probably a couple of times a year. So I actually didn't expect this one coming. I thought it was maybe once a year. So actually when I got this one in this, maybe I can show you both of them as eye candies. So when I got this one, I already knew, and I like wrote in my kind of, you know, fashion goals or bag goals that I want to get every year. I want to get a new Alma in one of the seasonal colors that they are bringing up. Of course, if I like the color, not just whenever they bring a color out. So that was already written in my fashion goals that I will get another Alma every year. So I was thinking they are coming every year, like once a year. And now it came that it's, you know, that they released this color in June or July or beginning of July. So I actually, when I was going to Poland with intention, I flew through Italy to get the bag. And I was lucky because in Napoli, they had this bag. So I was checking every day if they still have it. They actually didn't have it in Rome, maybe in one of the boutiques, because I was traveling from Napoli to Rome and then to Poland. So I was actually very lucky I got this one. And of course it's a classic Alma, so in epi leather, so I don't think that there's a lot of details that I can show you. I got the bag stamped with my initial from my name, and also I asked them to stamp the pink one as well. And the bag comes with this thick strap as well. So I will show this one to you. It doesn't come with a thin strap like the regular Almas, which are in that, you know, regular collection. This black, navy, I think it's a red, like a bright red, and also ballerina pink, this light pink. By the way, I could see first time when I was buying this one, I saw the pink, the ballerina pink first time, and I really loved it. I actually thought that the pink is too pale. It's very, very light pink, and I'm not really interested in from the website. But when I actually saw them together, I was like, oh, that's actually very nice pink. So the wishlist is growing, and the collections of Almas might increase, or for sure it will increase in the future. So the bag comes with this strap, and I like this strap more than the strap that came with the pink one because it doesn't have any crazy contrasting color. So basically it's blue, white and navy, and I think in that way it I don't like the font, still not my favorite, but it's not like, you know, popping up too much. It's just more, you know, it blends in, it doesn't bother me basically. While with that pink one, there was pink and orange, and I think it was clashing and was like kind of, I didn't like it, but I keep the strap. I decided I'm not selling it, like, you know, whenever one day I might change my mind. And I also thought that this pink strap, or I would use one day if I get like a pochette voyage, that maybe I can use it as a strap with the pochette voyage or any other, like, you know, pochette or something. And I also like to wear it on this side because I like the, you know, the monogram flowers. Not necessarily have to show that this is Louis Vuitton. Funny enough, when I was actually trying the bag, and I, like, you know, I put the strap this way, and the sales assistant, he was putting it like this, like, you know, kind of showing me the you know, the Louis Vuitton, and I was like, okay, yeah, but I'm not after, you know, showing that this is Louis Vuitton. It's enough that I know that this is Louis Vuitton. So I could see that they are, like, you know, in the shop they are trained to actually, like, you know, put the logo out. Or maybe that's what people like and what customers like, that's why they are doing it. Yeah, but I actually prefer this strap on this side with the flowers. I think it's just cuter and more girly. So the strap and of course the back, I'll show you just once again. As usually Alma comes with silver hardware, which is the biggest minus for me. I would prefer the gold hardware or light gold. I think light, like champagne gold, would go very well with the colors, but well, yeah, it has to be this way. And inside it's lined with this like periwinkle color with, I think is it suede? No, it's microfiber, I think. And it has, of course, also this, that the clochette was here, but actually they already had it assembled in the store, so I didn't take it and I didn't, you know, bother with this. And here I have, of course, those, you know, papers and the code of the bag if you need. I think they still can be, you know, available some stores. Apparently that collection or that drop of Almas wasn't that popular as the January drop, especially the green one. I later thought that I would like to get the green one as well, but that was probably around March. And they were maybe a couple of them in Italy, but I didn't travel and they are all gone. So yeah, so I missed on the green one and I would like to have the green as well, but they will bring some green and other colors, so for sure I will have something, you know, in the future, like, you know, one bag at a time, right? Don't get too crazy. So that's it for the video. That's my new addition to the collection, this beautiful, bright, vibrant blue Alma. Let me know what you think. Let me know what is your favorite bag, which bag you are adding to the collection in multiple colors. I would like to hear from you. I always like to know what you have and what kind of bags you are buying and wearing. So always share with me like your purchases and, you know, your scenes in that shopping department. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending some time with me. If you enjoy, please consider giving a like. I will see you in my next video, and until then, take care and don't forget to enjoy your life. Bye guys.